Hey guys, here's the quick video as promised on solving this multi-step equation. So first thing you want to do here is distribute this 0.05 to every term inside of the parentheses. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to have 0.05 times x, which is 0.05x. And then we have 0.05 times -3, which is going to be negative 0.15. And then all of that is equal to, we're just going to rewrite what we have on the right side. 0.35x minus 7.5. From here, to make it a little bit easier to see the left side and right side of the equation, you can split this into half by just drawing a line down the middle of your equal sign. So we've split the equation into two halves. From here, I want to get all my terms with variables or letters over to the left side of my equation. And then I want to get all my terms that are just constants or numbers over to the right side of the equation. So my first step, I want to move this 0.35x over to the left side of the equation because I have another term with an x over here. So I want to get all the x's on one side. To do that, we're going to do the inverse operation. This 0.35 is positive right now. It is added to the right side. The inverse operation, or the opposite of addition, is subtraction. So to move the 0.35x over to the left side, I need to subtract 0.35x from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 0.35 from the right side. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 0.35x from the left side as well. We know that this is going to cancel out, and then you have 0.05 minus 0.35. That is equal to negative 0.3x. Drop down the negative 0.15 equals, and then drop down the negative 7.5. From here, our next step is to move all the numbers to one side of the equation. So I need to move this negative 0.15 over to the right side so that it could be with the other constant. Again, to do that, we're going to do the inverse operation, or the opposite. Since this 0.15 is negative, it's being subtracted. So I need to do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. So I need to add 0.15 to both sides of this equation. So plus 0.15 plus 0.15. We know that this is going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with negative 0.3x is equal to negative 7.5 plus 0.15, which is negative 7.35. Great. So now our last step here, to get x completely by itself, is to divide both sides by the number in front of x. Negative 0.3x is the same as negative 0.3 times x. We know that the opposite of multiplication is division. So to get x by itself here, I need to divide both sides by negative 0.3. So divide by negative 0.3, divide by negative 0.3. This is going to cancel out, and I'll be left with x is equal to negative 7.35 divided by negative 0.3 should be 24.5. Yes. So 24.5. And that's the final answer. X is equal to 24.5. All right. Hope this was helpful. Bye.